Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Dyson vacuum is showing a full battery but still not turning on or suddenly stops working, it can be really confusing because everything looks normal from the outside. Many people think the battery or motor is damaged, but most of the time that's not the case. Dyson vacuums are designed with safety features that automatically stop the machine when they detect a blockage, airflow issue, or internal restriction. This means the vacuum may refuse to run even though it is fully charged. Because of this, the problem is usually something simple that needs to be checked and cleared. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Dyson vacuum that is fully charged but not working. Try these. 1. Check the hose wand and cleaner head for any blockage. 2. Remove and wash the filter, then let it dry completely before using. 3. Empty the dustbin to allow proper airflow. 4. Inspect the brush roll and remove any tangled hair or debris. 5. Turn the vacuum off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. 6. Test the vacuum again to see if it starts working properly.